Hi, it's Laura from Day by Day in Our World, and today I am going to show you this new kit that I got in the house. A lot of people this spring have started gardening, and we do have some stuff already in our garden. One of the things I was waiting for was a way to get some herbs started, and with herbs I prefer to keep them inside. So this kit here from Mountain Valley has everything you need to get started. Let me show you the back. So you can see we've got a dome, a growing tray, the dip tray, quick start guide, seed packets, labels, and soil discs. So really everything you need. And because I accidentally spilled water, I'm taking the bottom of this off. Alright, so here we go. Everything we need inside that will give us a nice, lovely herb garden. So you got the little dome top I'm going to take off. You can see we've got all the little soil packets, different seeds, a little bit about how to do your seed starting if you've never done it before. Very simple. And then this part, see how there's holes? This is how the water's going to come up. You're not going to drench your plants. You want to have good drainage. So there's a gap between the bottom of this to the bottom of that. So with this, we want to start by putting a soil pack in each of the holes. Take one, drop it in. Okay, so just so you know, this minute soil that I just popped all of these in, this is certified organic for organic gardening. So there you go, they're all in there. The next thing that you're going to do is pour about 1.5 cups of water into the drip tray. So that's this part back here. Pour it in. And let it sit. And just see, I don't know if you can hear it. These are, you see how they're expanding? They're bursting open. I have some that I didn't get in there really well, and I'm not going to be able to shift them now. But look at how much those have grown, and it's only been a few seconds. Okay, you can see that some of these grew a lot better than others after the 5 minutes. I had to sit there and put a little bit more water in and play around. And the ones that had not laid completely flat to go up kind of got stuck, and those have a little bit less. So just kind of push around, get your dirt so it's a little bit level, because then what you're going to do, I have, see, like you can see this one's just a little bit still not done. Some of these are not, the ones on this side are nice and moist. They're up here right at the top where they should be. You know, unfortunately, I don't think I'm gonna, you can see I've got water at the bottom, but not a ton. I don't really have any more water in here, so I can't really put any more in. Alright, so the next thing is you have all your different, you've gone ahead and labeled all these different ones, and the instructions are that I'm just going to take, I'm going to start with this one because this is my thing. I want to mark what it is, and putting, it says to put 3 to 4 seeds in each, because not every seed is going to germinate. And you can see here on the back, it is packaged for this year, so it's really intended that you need to. And each of the packets also show you when you got if you want to do a square foot garden, how to do that. Some different growing tips for this as well. So here are cilantro seeds. And I'm just going to take those. I'm going to push them down in, pop them up, and voila. So water is needed, keep the lid on, making sure you have everything labeled here. And then it's going to be looking and seeing how you do your transplants. To give you a difference, here's garlic chives, and look at how different those seeds are. As you can see, I've got everything ready to go. I just need to pop on the lid. I'm going to put it over near the table inside my living room that gets the most sun during the day, and be keeping an eye on it and seeing how fast before things sprout.